Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss about mole concepts and what is molar mass. So let us start. See, mass of one atom of hydrogen. Mass of one atom of hydrogen is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. We all know that, right? If this is in kilogram, right? But if we convert this value in grams, so what we have to do, we just multiply this by 1000, right? So we will get mass of one atom of hydrogen in grams, so 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 grams, right? So number of hydrogen atom in 1 gram. If we have to find out number of hydrogen atom in 1 gram, right? अगर 1 gram की वैल्यू अगर हमें फाइंड करनी है तो हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट इट? बाय यूनिटरी मेथड, 1 divided by 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, right? अगर 1 gram नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम्स हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है तो वी अप्लाई यूनिटरी मेथड. सो फ्रॉम डिवाइडेड this value by 1, we will get 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Are you getting something? So let us take another example related to this. Relative atomic mass of sodium, we all know that 23, right? So mass of one sodium atom, that will be 23 into 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram, right? But if we calculate this value in gram, right? So number of sodium atom in 1 gram, तो 1 ग्राम में अगर हमें नंबर ऑफ सोडियम एटम फाइंड आउट करने हैं तो कितने हैं? तो दैट विल बी 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 23 इंटू 1.67 10 टू पावर माइनस 24. और नंबर ऑफ सोडियम एटम इन 23 ग्राम वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो दिस विल बी कैंसल आउट एंड वी विल गेट अगेन द सेम वैल्यू. So number of sodium atom in 23 gram is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is the atomic mass of the sodium, right? 23 is atomic mass of the sodium, and when it is converted into gram, it will be gram atomic mass, right? Gram atomic mass of sodium. As in the case of here, gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram, so it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and gram atomic mass of sodium, that is 23, it will be equal to again 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Let us take another example. If we talk about gram atomic mass or number of carbon atoms in 12 gram, right? So it is again the same value, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So what is this value? This value is nothing but it is equal to 1 mole, right? So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. I hope this is clear. So let us see relative atomic mass. As we talk about, if we are talking about hydrogen, so it is atomic mass 1, but if we talk gram atomic mass, so it will be 1 gram, right? Atomic mass, it will be U, right? We are denoted it by the symbol this U, and in the case of sodium, it is 23U, or gram atomic mass, it will be 23 grams. So likewise in carbon, 12U, or here gram atomic mass will be 12 gram. I hope this is clear to you. So let us move further. So as we know, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Yes, this value we just find out. So generally, what is the meaning of mole? Mole is equal to heap or pile of something, right? So let us understand this term with more example. So see, one pair of egg, if I talk about one pair, right? So if I talk about one pair means it means 2x, right? If I talk about 1 dozen, 1 dozen is a quantity. So these are quantity in which we can measure the things, right? So 1 dozen is equal to 12x. Got it? So likewise, mole is also a quantity in which we measure the things or substances. Like if we talk about 1 mole of X, अगर 1 mole of X के बारे में बात करते हैं तो उसकी जो वैल्यू होगी that will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23x. I hope this is clear now to you. Okay, so let's move. What is Avogadro number? See, this is denoted by capital Na or L. So number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 means 1 mole of carbon 12 में जितने number of atoms present होंगे that will be Avogadro number, or it is the number of atoms or molecules present in 1 mole of a substance. Means this value, right? This value 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 3. Right, it will be 3 particles, you can say atoms or molecules it will be if we are talking about in Avogadro number. Let us understand. 1 mole of oxygen atom, we are talking about here oxygen atom. See, oxygen atom, तो 1 mole of oxygen atom में कितने atoms consist करेगा ये? It will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right? Likewise, because we know that 1 mole is equal to if we are talking about atoms, so it will be equal to just this atom, this number of atoms, and if we talk about molecules, so it will be equal to molecules. So 1 mole of oxygen molecules, if we talk about oxygen molecules, so it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. I hope this is clear. So because it is the number of atoms or molecules present in 1 mole of substance, तो 1 mole of substance में कितने number of atoms और कितने number of molecules present है, जो Avogadro number है, it is just tell us about those things. So let us understand what is gram atomic mass. As we just discussed it, रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास एक्सप्रेस्ड इन ग्राम्स, राइट? जब रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास को जब हम किस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? ग्राम्स में. लाइकवाइज यू कैन टेक एनी एग्जांपल, लाइक वी हैव टेकन सोडियम, राइट? सोडियम हैविंग 3 atomic mass 23U, right? When that relative atomic mass is expressed in grams, जब उसको हम grams में expressed कर देंगे, और we can say that 23 grams, so it will be gram atomic mass of sodium, right? So it will be gram atomic mass of oxygen. Here is another example, gram atomic mass of oxygen. oxygen का जो atomic mass है, we talk about a relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16U, right? It is 16U, but जो ग्राम atomic mass है सोडियम का, that will be 16 gram. Okay, likewise, so हम यहाँ से क्या कह सकते हैं? If gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 grams, so what it means? It means 1 mole of oxygen atom contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right? So we can say that 1 mole of oxygen atom contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms and weighs 16 gram. So 16 gram is gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of oxygen, which is equal to 1 mole, and that contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Likewise, the gram atomic mass of carbon. I hope this is understood by you. So let us move to gram molecular mass. Likewise, so relative molecular mass expressed in grams, right? So like the atomic gram atomic mass we have discussed. So gram atomic mass of oxygen, if we talk about gram molecular mass of oxygen, because this is a molecule, right?